Bismillah.
Assalamualaikum. Welcome to Lazeez Desi kitchen.
Khush Abadid. Let's make omelette paratha roll.
Begin by adding some water into a bowl, along with all the dry spices, masalas, Veg Cube, and green chilies. Mix together. Next, add in the chopped onions and tomatoes. Give this a quick mix. Add in the coriander, fresh or frozen can be used. And lastly, add in the eggs. Give this a good mix. Optional. Add a little milk to the mixture. Your omelette mixture is ready. Also, can be cooked alone as an omelette to eat alongside bread, roti, or paratha. Quick and easy breakfast option. Place your paratha on a preheated pan and cook on one side medium flame. Flip over once slightly cooked. Next, add 1/4 of the omelette mixture you made earlier on top of the paratha. Use a spoon to spread the mixture evenly. And allow to cook on a medium, low flame. Flip over gently, ensuring the mixture does not splatter everywhere. Continue to cook the paratha on both sides until the omelette pig is cooked through and the paratha puffs up and is golden brown in color. Cook all the way through. Like so.
Alhamdulillah, ready. Subscribe, like and share.
Take out onto your serving plate and roll over once a little cool. Cut into half and serve. Whoa, how amazing does this look? Perfect to make during Ramadan, for Sehri or Iftari.
Enjoy for Sehri. I love it. Delicious. Yummy omelette paratha roll.
A great treat and lunchbox idea for all those wanting something delicious for lunch.
Love and enjoy. Subscribe, like and share.